Greetings, my name is Mirza Hadjic and I'm part of the team at holidaysenses.com. Today, I will show you how to book premium tours as well as create or join groups to save costs on your PC. Let's get started. Okay, we are on the landing page for the hotel. This is the web page that you'll be taken to when you scan the QR code. And from here, we can access the sensation styles right here. So there are 5 tours on this hotel. If we want to access the premium sensations, we can scroll down here and click on premium sensations. It will take us to a similar page, but as you can see here, we have a button here, extra, called join groups. If we click on it, you'll see that it says no groups available at the moment. So I'm already logged in with a user account, a customer account, and let's go and book a tour. We have some of the added tours right here. For example, this one. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is the area that is provided. So this is the place where you'll enter the start date, the end date, the start times, etc. You can see the description as well as the offers, the pictures. You can also see right here, so this tour has a private option. If we click here, it will take us to the private tour. And now you can see here, this is the private sensation option, but we want the premium one. We can click here. And now as you can see, it's the premium sensation. We can click on this button here. It will tell us a little about premium sensations, what they are, and how you can take advantage of the extra savings using premium sensations on our website. For these demonstration purposes, I'll use a tour that is provided for testing. So let's enter a start date, let's say the 23rd, and an end date, let's say the 27th. So this is the date range where you are available to attend this tour. In my case, I'm available from the 23rd to the 27th of April. Let's select a start time, a translation language. We can specify the amount of people, 2 adults and 1 children. This is the important part, so we'll create a new group since there aren't any groups available to join. And if a person recommended you, you can select it here. Also, we need to specify the minimum and maximum number of people we want in that group. In our case, let's say 4 is the minimum and 6 is the maximum number of people. If you've entered in everything correctly, you'll have 2 options available for you. One is called Book Now, and the other is one-step payment. Let's click on Book Now. Okay, we are in the basket area right now. As you can see, we have our shopping list as well as the tab under reservation. This is a tab that interests us. As we can see, there is our sensation that we just reserved. We clicked on Book Now and now it's here. So we can see here the number of people, the name, and we can see the dates that we have selected as the dates that we are available to attend the tour. And now when you are ready to pay for this tour, you can click on Pay Now here, or if you have any other tours, so if you had 10 tours right here, they will all appear under each other. If you want to pay all of them in one go, you can click on this button right here. So if we click on Pay Now, it will take us to the next site. Okay, we are in the payment area. As you can see, I've already filled in some of the information. They'll be asking you for your address, the postal code, the country of origin, the VAT number, as well as the payment type. Let's select Stripe for this occasion, and we'll enter in the testing numbers just to show you what it looks like when everything is entered in and fully working. So when you've entered in everything and you're sure that you want to reserve it, you can click on Payment. It will take you to the confirmation pages if everything was successful. As you can see here, it says success. It will give you the payment ID, the total paid amount, as well as the information you just provided in the page before this. You can also click here to obtain the vouchers, and you can see the number of adults, children, babies, the fee, and the booked date. Okay, I'm on the landing page again, but this time I'm logged in with another account. So the first step was done. I've reserved the tour with one person or one group, and let's see how I can join that group with another person, or so you have two groups. Let's see how they can join each other and save costs. So let's go to the Premium Sensations again, and now if we click on join groups, you'll see that we have a tour ready here, the customer number 1 that I've just used to reserve this tour. And now it says, so this is the date that the first group is available to join on this tour, and let's click on it and let's see the process of joining that group. So the second group will also need a start date and end date. It doesn't have to be the same date, but it's important to have at least one day in common so that they can find a common day to attend the tour. So let's say the 25th will be the start date and the 30th will be the end date. Our start times, there is only one option. And now if I click here, you can see that it allows me to join this group. I'll click on it and it will enter in here the minimum and maximum number of people. I'll put in 5 adults. And as you can see, it won't let me. So basically what happened here is that I've exceeded the number of people. It says that the maximum number of people is 6, and if you recall, I put in 3 people on the first group, so I'll need to lower this down to a reasonable amount. And as you can see, for 2 adults, it will tell us that it's okay to book. Let's click on book now. Also, if you have a discount code, you can enter it in right here. And we are under reservation. So, as you can see here, we have the same tour, but we can see here right now that some of the dates we have some common dates, and we have some dates that one group can and the other group can't attend the tour. To be more precise, the 23rd and the 24th, the first group said that they can attend it, but the second group can't, so it will default to the first day that is available and common for the both groups. As you can see also, the first group has already paid for the tour, the second group has not. The process left to do here is to pay, and since the first day that is available is the 25th of April, that is the day that the tour will be commencing. Provided that you pay for it given in the date that it was just mentioned before. I'll just go back to show you it once more. So it says pay until today. It's important to keep track of those information so you can pay in time. Okay, just to show you, so this is the second group. I've entered in the information as well as the stripe, so the card and the expiration and CVC information, and when everything is okay, you can click on payment. Provided that the information you just put in was correct and everything went successful, it will take you to the confirmation page where you'll see all of the information exactly the same as the first group, only with your fees and your information right here, as well as the quick information on the bottom. Okay, that was a quick demonstration on how to book a premium tour, on how to join a premium tour, so how to combine groups and join groups to save costs and still enjoy the quality of Private Sensations. Have a nice rest of the day. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us via email or any other way you find acceptable. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.